my dear children. So, this afternoon we are starting our GK class, right? So, have you all completed up to page number 30 in your GK textbook? Yes? Okay. So, finish up to page number 30. Okay. So, today we are going to learn some more portion. So, fourth chapter we are going to learn. First one, Tales of India. Our earth is in trouble. Let's save our earth. And do you know why? Also, take your GK textbook. Soon we will enter into the chapter. Okay, so take your GK textbook, take a pencil with you, take an eraser with you. We will discuss the topic and we will find the answer for the question. Okay, so take it fast. So have you taken? Okay, so first we have Tales of India. Okay, it's related to language and literature. Unscramble the letters to get the correct words. Okay, we need to unscramble the answer is given here, but it is scrambled. Okay, it is somewhat different. So we need to unscramble the letter. In India, there are many a dash, and there is a letter CIENTAN, and below of stories that teach us a lot about life. Do you know the answer? So the answer is A N C I E N T. Ancient. Okay. So ancient. The answer is A is given here. So no need to write A. So the answer is NCIENT. Okay. So A is given here. So please write NCIENT. Okay. Ancient. Answer is ancient. Okay. Have you written? Okay. Then the next word is COTIONSLLEC. Do you know the answer? So C is given here. So we no need to write. So the letter start with C. So O L L E C T I O N S. Okay, collection. So in India, there are many ancient collection of stories that teach us a lot about life. So write down, my dear children. Okay, the next question. The dash is a collection of dash in dash. It is supposed to have been written by dash Sharma. After the Bible, it is perhaps the most widely translated literary work. So the first word will start with P. Okay, so TANPANTRACHA. So we no need to write P. Okay, it's given P. Okay, so what's the answer? Guess the answer. A N C H A N T sorry T A N T R A Panchatantra. Okay, Panchatantra. PANCHA. Okay, it's H A TAN TRA, Panchatantra. The Panchatantra is a collection of, what's the next letter? So we can cut F, the remaining letter LESAB. Okay, fables, FABLES, fables. Okay, FABLES, fables. In, we can cut one S, the other S. So the letters start with S. So what's the answer? A N S K R I T, Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit. To have been written by, V is given here. So VISHNT You, Vishnu Sharma. So, the Panchatantra is a collection of fables in Sanskrit. It is supposed to have been written by Vishnu Sharma. After the Bible, it is perhaps the most widely translated literary work. So, my dear children, copy it down. So, have you all copied? Okay. Then the third question. The first letter starts with H, meaning good dash is a book of fable in Sanskrit by Pandit. It is based on Panchatantra. The title of this book makes it purpose clear. So the first letter starts with H. Okay, the first letter starts with H. Okay, so guess what the answer is? Okay, I am writing Hitopadesha. Hitopadesha. Okay, Hitopadesha. Hitopadesha. Hitopadesha, meaning good is remaining Advice. 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 Advice is a book of fables in Sanskrit by Pandit Narayana. Pandit Narayana. Hitopadesha, meaning good advice, is a book of fables in Sanskrit by Pandit Narayana. It is based on Panchatantra. The title of this book makes its purpose clear. Okay, so this is the answer. Write down in your textbook. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Okay, Gunadeva wrote and combined many popular stories in Sanskrit for his collection. Dash meaning the dash story. Gunadeva lived just before Jesus Christ in South India. His work has been compared to the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So the letters start with B. Do you know what the answer is? R I H A T K A T H A. Brihat Kada. Okay, Brihat Kada. Brihat Kada meaning G we can cut. This is easy. Yeah, great. Great. Great story. So, Gunadeva wrote and compiled many popular stories in Sanskrit for his collection Brihakada, meaning the great story. Gunadeva lived just before Jesus Christ in South India. His work has been compared to the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So, write down, my dear children. So, the next question. The dash consists of fairy tales, animal stories, and fable. Many of their stories are quite humorous and teach us something. Lord appears as one of the characters in each tale. So, what's that answer? Jatakas. Okay, Jatakas. Jatakas consist of fairy tales, animal stories, and fables. Many of their stories are quite humorous and teach us something. Lord Buddha Buddha appears as one of the characters in each tale. Okay, Jatakas. 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 And then Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Okay, the next question. Katha Sarit Sagar is an important work in Sanskrit literature, compiled by the letters start with S, and what's that word? Somadeva. Okay, Somadeva. Somadeva. Kadasaristagar is an important work in Sanskrit literature compiled by Somadeva. Okay, so copy it down, my dear children, faster. So have your copy? Okay. We are going to the next topic. Okay, next one. It's related to the environment, the world and its people. The earth is in trouble. Our world is in trouble. Mentioned here are some of the ways by which we are hurting it. Choose the correct word first for the options given within the brackets to fill in the blank. So answer is there. We need to find it. As dash is increasing, we are constructing taller buildings, factories and roads. This continuous process of building leads to dash of large quantities of waste produced. So which is increasing? Yeah, industrialization is interesting. Put a tick mark in industrialization. Okay, then we are constructing taller building and factories and road. The continuous process of building leads to, if you build the places, so many buildings in the place, where we gonna buy the place? There is no place for buying. So yeah, disposal of large quantity of waste product produced. Okay, then next question. Dash is becoming a major problem as more and more areas in the world are turning into desert. These are not necessarily hot, dry and sandy places but are areas where the now is useless for growing. Such soil stores less and produces less grain even when there is enough rainfall. So dash is becoming a major problem. Desertification or afforestation. Yeah, desertification. Okay, so it's becoming a major problem as more and more areas in the world are turning into desert. These are not necessarily hot, dry and sandy places but are areas where dash is now useless for growing. Yes, soil is useless for growing, and then such soil store less sorry is now useless for growing crops. Such soil store less water. Okay, so desertification is becoming a major problem as more and more areas in the world are turning into desert. These are not necessarily hot, dry and sandy places but are areas where the soil is now useless for growing crops. Such soil store less water and produces less grain even when there is enough rainfall. Okay, the next question. Since the 1980s, experts have noticed that temperatures are rising around the world. This is called dash warming. Yes, global warming. Very good. Okay, the next question. Dash is a naturally occurring gas found in the atmosphere. Yes, ozone. Okay, it absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Okay, then which are harmful to both our plant and animal life. It is mostly found in a band called the, which band it is? ozone band, ozone layer, which lies about 15 to 14 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Certain gases used in some perfumes, air fresheners, and deodorant contribute to the dash of this layer, destruction of this layer. Okay, so ozone is a naturally occurring gas found in the atmosphere. It absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet rays, which are harmful to both our plant and animal life. It is mostly found in a band called the ozone layer, which lies about 15 to 40 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Certain gases used in some perfume, air fresheners, and deodorants contribute to the destruction of this layer. Okay. Okay. The next page. Let us save the earth, the environment, world, and its people. Okay, so all of us knows that our earth is in danger. Here are few ways which we can save. Unscramble the letter. Like the first chapter, here also we need to unscramble the words. Okay, so dash means to preserve and protect the environment and the natural thing present in it. Okay, so starting with C. Okay, CONSERVATION, conservation. CONSERVATION, conservation. Okay, means to preserve and protect the environment and the natural thing present in it. Okay, the next question. Dash means reprocessing or reusing waste material. Orders here: RECYCLING, recycling. Okay, so RECYCLING, recycling means reprocessing or reusing waste materials. Okay, okay. Then third question. Nature efficiently recycles its own waste, including dead plants and animals. This is helped by a process known as ECOMPOSITION, decomposition. Okay, DECOMPOSITION, decomposition. Okay. Okay. Nowadays, in some part of the world, dash free petrol is being used a lot. Okay. LEAD, lead free petrol. L is given there. Lead free petrol. Okay. Nowadays, in some parts of the world, the petrol which is free from lead is used widely. Okay. Then, next question. Dash is among the world large organization working for the protection of wildlife and the environment. Okay, so WORLD, then again capital W, WILDLIFE, wildlife, then capital FUND. Okay, World Wildlife Fund. Okay, World Wildlife Fund is among the world largest organization working for the protection of wildlife and our environment. WORLD, WILDLIFE Wildlife Fund. Okay, have you all copied? Okay, copy it very fast. Copied? Okay. The next, some other ways to save the earth are as follows. Save dash by switching off light when there is nobody present in room. Okay, save Energy. 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 Okay. Then turn off the dash while brushing your teeth. Turn off tape. Okay, while brushing your teeth. Then use a bicycle or prefer to dash instead of using a car for a short trip. Walk. Okay, we can walk instead of using car or bike for the short trip. Okay, then do not use harmful or detergent for washing cloth. Bleach. Okay, BLECH. BLEACH. Bleach. Okay, then prefer to travel in a car to school. Dash pool. Okay, carpool. So save energy by switching off lights when there is nobody present in the room. Then turn off the tape while brushing your teeth. Use a bicycle or prefer to walk instead of using a car for short trips. Do not use harmful bleach or detergent for washing cloth. Prefer to travel in a carpool to school. Okay? Have you copied? Copy it quickly. Okay, we move on to the next one. So these are question answer. Okay, so I will send the answer in the WhatsApp group. Now listen the answer for the question. I'm gonna to explain the answer for the question. Okay, so do you know why? Okay, some general question. Why we can fly a kite in the air, right? Is that so? We can fly kite in the air. So how the kite is flying in the sky? Because the kite is weightless, right? So it can go upwards, so we can fly the kite in the upward direction. So the pressure upon the kite is very low, so it cannot be able to push downwards, right? So it can fly on the earth. So it can fly on the air, so we can fly a kite on the air. So the pressure is, so the force acting under the kite and that is pushing upward is stronger than the pressure air pushing the kite downward. Okay, so the force of air, okay, at the kite, so it's stronger, pushing upward is stronger than the pushing downward, so it can fly in the air. Okay, then next, we see a lightning before we hear the thunder, right? So why it is so why the lightning we can see before the thunder means the speed of the light is faster than the speed of the sound. Okay, speed of light is faster than the speed of sound, so only we are seeing light before the lightning before the thunder sound. Okay, then small gaps are left between rail while laying down a railway line. Why? Why? Because during the summer season, why there are gap between the rail means during summer season, due to heat, the metal will expand. Okay, if there is no gap, the buckle of the train will not be inside the rail and they cannot be able to move. Okay, they will be stuck inside, so only they are giving some gap between the rail. Due to summer, if it expand also, there is no problem, the train can travel in the rail. Okay, so that's only they are giving some gap between the railway lines. Okay, lemon and sometimes oranges taste sour. Okay, why means the lemon and oranges contain citric acid. Okay, so which gives some tangy taste to food and soft drinks. Okay, so lemon and oranges contain citric acid, so only the taste is somewhat different. Okay. Okay, a fresh tomatoes rot after it kept out of the refrigerator for a few days. Why means there are small bacteria, viruses we cannot be able to see, right? So it is not visible to our eyes. Okay, so if we kept the tomatoes outside, some invisible naked things will enter in the tomatoes and causes some chemical composition by breaking down. Okay, it start to decompose. Okay, it started to decompose. That process is called decomposition. They break down the a nice particle into some decaying manner. Okay, so it is called the decomposition. Okay, it break down the complex into simpler compound. Okay, complex to simpler compound, so that is called the decomposition. Okay, then the eye of a cat shine at night. We all know that the eyes of the cat will shine at the night, right? So which act as a reflector. Okay, which is the reflect so the back of the eyes act as a reflector. Okay, it act as a mirror or the reflector. So only if we put focus the light on the cat eyes, it will looks like a reflector. It will looks like a light in the eyes. Okay, it's shining at the night. Okay, leaves change their color in the autumn, right? So all the leaves have green pigment, right, which gives them green color. Okay, like the green pigment, there are also some yellow pigment, so which we cannot be able to see because the green pigment is above it is hiding. So in the autumn season, the leaves start making the green pigment, that chlorophyll. Okay, so only we can able to see that yellow pigment which give the yellow color. And finally it end of the leaf lifetime, so it fell down. Okay, then we breathe heavily after running, climbing stair or exercising, right? So if you are climbing or if you are running, we will breathe deeply, therefore we need more oxygen, right? So our muscles also need extra oxygen to do that work. So only we are breathing heavily after running and climbing upstairs. Okay, then we need sometimes head creaking sound from the doors and wooden furniture in winter, right? So some creaky sound, so just like wood and the metal will expand, right, in hot weather. So they tend to contract with the original. In the winter season, they will get back to their original size in the winter season. So in the summer season, they will contract. Okay, so that contraction will cause the wooden doors and furniture to produce the creaky sound. Okay, so in the hot weather they will contract, but in the winter season they will come into the normal shape. Okay, so next one, this is a picture of a person floating in the Dead Sea. He will not sing. Why? Why means if the person what's the person of weight of the person is not a matter. If he sing fully or in some partially, the upward force in the water make the person to float on the water. Okay, upward force will make the person to float on the water, because how the weight of the person who are floating there is smaller than the amount of water it displaces. Okay, so the water of the Dead Sea is much denser. Okay, when while comparing with the normal sea water, that the Dead Sea water is some denser. Okay, so because of the high salt content. Okay, so the person who are floating in the Dead Sea will not be sing, because the water dense is very high. Okay, because the water dense is very high. Okay, so I will send the answer today. Copy it in your notebook, textbook. If you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so my dear children, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.